صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Chapter on pouring water with one's right hand over the left one during the bath. Narrated Maimuna bint al-Harith, may Allah be pleased with her, I placed water for the bath of Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, and put a screen. He poured water over his hands and washed them once or twice. The sub-narrator added that he did not remember if she had said thrice or not. Then he poured water with his right hand over his left one and washed his private parts. Then he rubbed his hand over the earth or the wall and washed it. Then he rinsed his mouth and washed his nose by putting water in it and blowing it out. He washed his face, forearms, and head. He poured water over his body and then withdrew from that place and washed his feet. I presented him a piece of cloth, towel, and he pointed with his hands that he does not want it and did not take it.